I want to talk about the #1 misconception that I hear regarding a last will and testament, and it really is a doozy. It gets a lot of people into trouble unnecessarily. First, real quickly, a last will and testament is really just a legal estate planning document, and in Florida, it essentially is the written expression for who should inherit your possessions after you pass away, right? You have real estate, you have financial accounts, and you may want to specify who gets what, in what order, and maybe you want to give some money away to charity. Maybe you want to make sure that certain people or individuals are excluded and can't inherit from you, right? So you want to get all this down in writing. That's your will, or last will and testament. And the biggest misconception that really does cause a lot of unnecessary heartache, expense, delay is the belief, the erroneous belief, that having a last will and testament means your loved ones will not have to go to court after you pass away. That is 100% completely untrue. If you are relying on your will, or if your heirs are relying on your will to gain access to your assets in their variety of forms, that means they're going to court. It's called probate court, and it can be a lengthy and unnecessarily expensive public process that can be avoided, okay? Now, a will is certainly a very important document, and we won't do an estate plan without including a will in there, but we're gonna include other mechanisms by which your loved ones will not have to go through the probate process. Sometimes we're involving a trust, sometimes we're using ladybird deeds, sometimes we're just talking about pay on death designations on policies and things like that. But for the purposes of this video, the last will and testament, if that's all you're relying on, you are going to court. Or again, you've passed away, your loved ones are going to court. So we don't want to just rely on a will by itself. Hope that clears that up. If you want to talk about estate planning, Medicaid planning, probate anywhere in the state of Florida, please set up a consultation today and subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to post some more videos about the basics, the essential estate planning documents. I give you information. I want you to understand where the drawbacks are and where people get into trouble, so you don't have to go through that, so you can avoid that pain for your family and unnecessary expense and things like that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Please share it if you found it interesting and you think other people would too. Thank you very much for watching.